Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on ENS, or the Ethereum naming service. Wanted to do a quick video on that. I mean, it's been quite bullish for the last couple of days, and just in general, I mean, if you look at it through, like, if you look at relative strength, I mean, ENS has been, or at least yesterday, it was one of the big gainers. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. All right. I mean, right now, if you look at ENS, what you'll see is that the open interest, I mean, the open interest is doing fine. We're having a bit of spikes. It looks a bit manipulated, and it's down over the last hour, but overall it's been increasing nicely. All right, had a nice bullish breakout right here above 18.5 and $18. So in general, I mean, you could argue that on the 1 hour time frame we're actually quite bullish, which would not be wrong. All right, that's actually true. So the main question then is, well, can we actually expect a bullish ENS again? And I think the answer to that is no. All right. I mean, one of the main reasons when ENS started to be very bullish was the beginning of January. All right. So what happened at the beginning of January also, or at least after that, but that did enhance the ENS move, is that Ethereum against Bitcoin started rapidly increasing. All right. So the value of Ethereum became much stronger to the volume of Bitcoin. Right now that's decreasing, so that's bad for Ethereum related coins such as ENS. But apart from that, I mean, this is also, look, we had a strong support right here around $15. That's where ENS found support, $15 plus the 200 EMA. So at some point of time, after being bearish for so long, you're just going to get a pullback, and I think we're in the middle of that. But then you look at the main resistance level right here, which is between 21.5 and $20, and technically that resistance level is very strong. It has Fibonacci levels, it has a psychological level, it has just technically it's respected, and then there's also liquidity there. So look, the main thing is that I think ENS is great. All right, I have it in my long-term portfolio. I have been holding it since November last year, which is not very long, but the profits have been good. The thing I'm most worried about is that there's actually a lot of manipulation going on around ENS. All right, because if you look at where the most of the volume is coming from, what you'll see is that most is coming from UEE, 4E, Bitrue, OrangeX. Those are exchanges that if a lot of volume comes from there, it's usually manipulated. So I would say that if we purely take a look at the price, all right, so if we purely also take into account the open interest in relation to the open interest where it has been, which is just that it's been decreasing, I would have to say that this resistance level is too strong, so that maybe we'll reach into that, but that will find resistance there and start to drop back down towards $16 and $15. This is what I think is most likely, purely technically, if we think about it logically. But because of the fact that there's actually quite a lot of volume coming from those manipulated exchanges, I'm not sure if this is a good trade to take, because I'm thinking about shorting here. But I have to say that there actually is a chance, I would say it's about 10 to 20%, that the ENS would just ignore the resistance, and that will break above 21.5, and the moment we've broken above that, we're rallying. All right, so then we can actually rally all the way up to our previous stops at like $25 and $26. So I don't expect this. If this happens, then I was wrong, but it's something you should know that is a possibility. I think it's more likely we'll find resistance here, and that will drop back down to $15. All right, that's what I think is most likely. Most points towards that. But yeah, that's what you need to know for now, I think. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments, of course. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you want to know when I am potentially entering a trade on ENS, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.